Why every time you go to a Chinese restaurant, we never see Chinese in the back of cook? The food shot, always some Mexican. So the other day, my friend Jody, I was reasoning about some real life shit. Just say, Andrew, why every time when you just meet a guy, them share a nice time? Hi.
Hi.
Good night. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Would you like to go?
Sure.
Make you feel like it's all perfect. I noticed that you're so perfect, and I know you don't got a man and shit.
How do you know that?
I can take care of you. If you're April, then I'm May. If you're night, then I'm day. Call you every night. I wonder where that girl you go call her.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I was just wondering, we can go with
Friday at 8 sounds good.
Friday at 8.
What place did you have in mind?
You ever go Red Lobster?
Yeah, I've been there a couple times.
The one in New York.
So I know where it is. I like that place.
Yeah.
Alright then, see you on Friday.
Bye, sexy.
Bye.
Alright. And then once as them get the pum pum, you need to see them again. Oh yeah. Oh, these are so soft. Oh, so shit.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. Alright. This is what we're gonna do, okay? You don't call me. I'll call you.
Okay.
Okay? Where's my phone? The typical guy. Will fuck you and leave you.
Yo, JD Production. Yes, Papa. Yo, Size.
But at the end of the day, you know where you get yourself, you know. From day one.